Hi, today we're going to make these really heavy duty shelves for your garage. Firstly, you'll have to clear a massive space. Clear lots of crap. And these are strong enough to store 30kg tools. I had to store a lot of crap on them because I was making another shelf. And sadly I couldn't film too much because it's so cold and the film equipment failed to film. Use stubwork for a frame of your shelf. And you want to cut it at size. I cut mine to 50cm wide. Now I drill some pilot holes for drill bits. I also clamped the stubwork to stop it warping and keep it flat. Then I fit some wood screws through the stubwork. Here, it's done. Sorry for a mess, I am clearing out a garage as well. At the timber merchants, I bought this sheet of MDF for £3.90. Now I'm going to screw it to the shelf and you're done. To connect it to a wall, because it's a concrete garage, you have to use concrete screws. I recommend resting it something to the right height and screw it in. Drill pilot holes first in concrete, otherwise it won't screw in. To make it really strong, put some legs in all the corners. And now it's done, ready to store all your crap. Please subscribe, it's a massive help.